Morning, everyone. Just wait for 5 minutes so that others will join the session. We can start the session exactly at 10:35. Once again, good morning to each and everyone. This is Annapurna. I'm from SmartBridge. Guys, is my voice audible to you? Thank you for your response. Guys, I want the response from you. Yes, I got the response. Thank you, Lalita. Thank you, Bakiyasri. Only few students are responding. Why? Thank you, Kalaimati. Yeah, Monica, thank you so much for your response. Yeah, thank you, Keetika, Sweta, Sumaya, Gayatri, Abhinaya, Keetana, Yogalakshmi. Yes. Thank you, guys. Yeah, still the count is 482. It's increasing. Yes, good. Guys, if the Monisha, Nadima, Manoj, Navashakti, everyone, Muthu, thank you, guys. Thank you for wonderful responses. So, what's the number of project we are implementing today, guys? Do you have any idea? Just try to respond in the Q&A. So, yes, correct. Correct, Nadima. Correct, Kalaimati. It's fourth project that is for management system. So we are going to build a form management system, and just like previous session that is conducted on Saturday, I'm going to explain what to submit before wrapping up the session. And until then, first we are going to start implementing the project. And as you know, like you must create the Salesforce developer arc, but it's not at 1 week. I used my 2 mail accounts. So I'm going to create the playground, guys. Okay, I'm going to create the playground first, and then I'm working on it. But you must create the arc using your any one of your team leader or team member mail ID, and you can mention all your team members' name while creating the developer arc. And if you're facing some issues, then definitely you can go with the playground, but you can mention all of your my screen. Just give me a second. Yes. So as I can't create the Salesforce developer arc, I'm going to create one, and I'm going to delete the previous one, guys, so that I can create a new playground. Yeah, there will be limits for playgrounds and arcs, guys, everything. Okay, when you are connecting, you can go to the manage arcs and you can disconnect any one of it. Yeah. So sorry, it's already disconnected. You can't disconnect this one. If we create disconnect developer edition, is it possible for me to create the playground? I need to check these are the arcs. I need to go with the, yes, I'll disconnect this one. Playground, yes, it's done. Refresh. And then I'm going to create the playground. Retake this challenge and just click on 3 dots, select create playground. See, as I mentioned, like Annapurna, SmartBridge. See, you can mention your team members, guys, as a playground name too. And then you just click on create. It will take few minutes. Guys, is my screen visible to you? Sorry. Thank you, Silambarasan, Monisha, Monica, and Inbarajab, everyone, Kavya, Vikram, Inbaraj, Puvarasu. And then Abhinaya, Sumaya, Manoj, yeah, for your wonderful responses. So my screen is visible. Sorry, it's not visible. See, is it visible now? I think it lost the screen sharing earlier. Is it visible now? Guys, this is Salesforce. Okay, you are going to build the project in the Salesforce. Is it visible? Thank you, Kalaimati. Yeah, thank you, Nanili. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, thank you guys for your wonderful response. So yeah, it's done. I'm just going to launch the playground. And here I need to share the PDF file, right? I'm going to share the PDF file here itself. Yes, I don't want this Trailhead account. Yes, it's done. So this is a PDF document. As I said earlier, you will receive the project documents, PDF documents through your college faculty. Okay, you must enroll for your project. I just contact your college faculty, guys, if you have not yet selected your project. And once you selected, and okay, after this session, I think tomorrow will be the last session. After that, you're going to receive the PDF document and this video recording too. Okay, you will receive video recording of the project implementation and the PDF document so you can work on it. So this is about the form management. As you know about how the form management will be there, it is regarding the crops, production records, okay, buyers, transactions, okay, who will be the buyer. So it will handle all the complete information related to the form managing. So it manages data related to forms, crops, farmers, and buyers while providing real-time insights through reports and dashboards too. And in this project, we are going to have. So in this project, we are going to have. Yeah, before this, see guys, you must edit this one. See, if you want to add extra problem statements, you can go for it. Otherwise, yeah, if you are adding extra something in the document, you will get extra scores. Some more, okay, and you must edit this one. You must enter your details, team details, and your, okay, when you implemented the project, all those things. See, it's just here 6 sprints are there. You can mention 6 sprints details here. Don't think that in this table only 4 sprints are mentioned, so I can go with 4. No, here how many sprints are there? You have to mention the information of those sprints here. That's it. Yeah, you are going to create the developer arc. This is the first activity. As I said earlier, we can create within 1 week only one developer arc now. There is a limitation. I used my 2 mail accounts, so I'm using the playground now. And then second one is the objects. Here we're going to create the 4 custom objects. One is from, and the second one is crop. Third one is the farmer, and fourth one is a buyer. And then we are going to work on the tabs of the object and fields and relationships of the object, app launcher, and then anything else, formula fields, yeah, definitely. And then profiles, you're going to work on the profiles, roles, users, yeah, this is about the data security sharing rules, so is also there, guys. And then reports and dashboards. I think it's simple, man. There is no concept of let me check once we are going with the, okay, each and every phase. Maybe there will be validation rules, but there are no flows, I think, here. So yeah, we can go with this without flows. It's a simple project. We can build it within the span of time we are having today. And then I'm going to explain what to submit before wrapping up the session, because even though I'm explaining it in the beginning of this session, you are asking the same question repeatedly. So I wanted to explain about it at the end of the session. Ranjini, definitely you will, as I said earlier, you will receive the PDF document and demo video, okay, this video recording through your college faculty. Okay, and your team details and will be there with your college faculty. Just contact your college faculty and select any one of the project, guys. Select any one of the project. Yeah. Inita said, no, ma'am. What does no, ma'am means? What is your project name? That is the thing I said, Selvi. Just contact your college faculty and just decide a project and you can go with it. You will receive the related document, PDF document, and demo video recording. Okay, not demo video. You will get the project implementation recording, guys. So you must submit the demo video and documentation in the GitHub. You that's the thing for your project submissions. But first, contact your college faculty regarding this. Your faculty will have the team formation, okay, team details and everything. Is it clear, Selvi? You can respond it in the Q&A if it is clear. Deepak, as I said earlier, yes, everyone can implement on single project, right? Just give me a second. I'll confirm from supporting one more time regarding this. Yeah. Uh, Deepak, see, I contacted the support team and the admin too, and I got the information. I received the information like, see, as a team, you must work, guys. Everyone must work on the project. As I said earlier, someone can create the objects, and among four objects, if there are four team members, each one create the fields for each and every object parallelly. You can do it once the objects are created. You can share the work, guys. That's the reason I have given the option to create the developer arc. Using the same username and password, you can log in into the same arc and you can go for it. Don't go for the playground, guys. If you are going to the playground, it's very difficult to handle by the multiple persons. But just choose the developer arc. Choose the Salesforce developer arc, and all the team members can work on the same arc. As I said earlier, all the team members can implement only one project and one documentation, one demo video, one GitHub link. It may be with the team leaders or team members mail ID. You can create the GitHub link and upload the documentation and demo video in the GitHub link, and you can submit it through your college faculty to the Smart Bridge. That's it. Is it clear, Deepak? Yeah. Thank you, Selvi. What about Deepak? Is it clear? Guys, is my screen visible or not visible? Just give me the confirmation in the Q&A, because Abhinaya and Vikram are saying like screen is not visible, screen is not clear, ma'am. Not visible, not visible. Why? I'm having. Okay, I'm sharing one more time. Yes. Is it visible now? Guys, is it visible now? Is screen visible to you? Yes. Thank you, Akshaya. Yeah, thank you, Abhinaya, Nadima, Navashakti, everyone. Thank you, guys, for your response. Yeah, thank you, everyone. So it's clear, right, Deepak? Deepak, is it clear? Like, not only for Deepak, everyone, guys. As a team, you can implement only one project. See, all of the team members can work on the project, guys. If you're feeling like if you want to try individually, you can try it later. Once you submit it, you can. If you want to implement it, you can go for it later. Yeah. Ma'am, should we do the project as a team, or should each of us do it individually? Deepak, as I said earlier, excuse me, as I said earlier, you are going to work on the project as a team, not individually. See, everyone can involve in the project implementation as a group. And we have given the project design phase, right? So who are going to create the objects? Who are going to create the fields? You can mention the names, guys. And for the documentation, at the same time, you can take the screenshots. Someone can take the screenshots of the fields. Someone can take the screenshots of the flows. Share the work. Is it clear? Share the work among you. That's the reason there is a team leader for each and every. So he will try to manage the work. He will try to distribute the work among the team members. This is about the teamwork, guys. In real time also, you're going to work as a team. So it will give the experience of how you're going to work as a team spirit. One ID or all teammate ID, ma'am? Which ID you're talking? Vikram, as I said earlier, you can use a team member or team leader's mail ID to create the developer arc or GitHub link. It's not necessary we want only team leader information, but you can submit your documentation and demo video in a GitHub link. And in that, okay, you can upload them in the GitHub, and you have to submit it in the GitHub to your college faculty. The GitHub link must be submitted to your college faculty. Yes, I hope it's clear, right? Vikram, Deepak, everyone, is it clear? I want the response from you. Yeah, Perla said clear. What about the others? Yeah, Vikram said clear. Deepak, I hope it's clear, right? Just as a team, guys, just follow it. That's it. And now, so our first thing is like creating the developer arc. You know how to create it, right? Go to, just here there are instructions, clear instructions how to create the developer arc. Just go for it. Developer.login form, enter your team details. Okay. Developer.log Salesforce, and sorry, developer.salesforce.com, sign up, and here you can try for free, and here you can enter the details. As I said earlier, you can enter your, okay, now I will not receive it because I can't create the developer arc within the 1 week. Just like the same instruction, you have to enter for a company name. You can enter your college name. Just follow it, guys. Follow the instructions mentioned earlier. And now, yeah, we are going to start working on it. Go to setup page. Once the arc is created, open it, and now we are going to create the 4 custom objects. Are you following? How many of you are following? Just raise your hands. How many of you are following? Just raise your hands. Yeah, Jashwant, Alina, Lakshmi, Parlai, Varshini. Yeah, thank you. I'm getting responses. Good. Now we are going to work on this custom object. So here, go to setup page, click object manager, see, select custom object. and you have to label it as form and form name, record name is my screen visible to you guys? If it is visible, just raise your hand. Is everything okay? Yeah, thank you for your confirmation. So object manager, create custom object and label form, plural label name forms, and here record name form name, data type is text. See data type text, and you have to allow report, stack field history, and everything. And then see, you have to select allow reports, activities, track field history, and then see it is deployed, right? Deployment status is deployed, and you have to allow search and just click on save and new. Yes. Now we are going to create the another object that is crops, and record name will be crop name, means obviously it is text. Same process, guys. Instead of that, you are going to go with crops, crop name text, allow report stack field history, and allow search, save and new. And now this is a former object, guys. Just farmer, farmers, farmer name, everything. Farmer, farmers, and yeah, farmer name text, allow report activities track field history, allow search, save and new. Anything else? Sorry. Here we have to check the allow search box, select add nodes to. We can do that for the others. Now the fourth object is the buyer. Buyer, buyers, and here buyer name, I think. It's a text. Allow reports, activities track field history, allow search. Yeah, you have to add notes and just select this, save. Excuse me. So in this way, we are going to create the objects. Go to the object manager, last modified, form. Yeah, just edit. Just scroll down. If you want to add notes and notifications, you can go with. Yeah, you can do it in the page layouts too, otherwise. Yeah, it's okay. You can just select them. And once this is done, you are going to create the tabs. Search and select the tabs in the quick find box. And then, okay, just go to the new and select the, first we have created the form. Form means we can choose a related tab style, guys. Anything is there related to, okay, forming. Yeah, it's transport truck. I have chosen the apple farming. Okay, and click on next. Anything is given here, instructions, just check it. Custom object. Okay, leave all defaults, just click on next. That's it. Next, save. In the same way, we are going to create the tabs. Anything is given, nothing, defaults. We have to select for the default. Buyer. This is about the crop, right? Okay, we can choose a crop now. Crop. And I'm choosing dice. Yeah, form, no save. This is all related to the farming, but yeah, I'm going with the apple one more time. Just click on next. Next. Save. Yeah. Now just click on new, and I'm going to create the tab for the former object. And okay, default values. Even for buyer, it is default, guys. Okay, we can go with this. Former means people. We can go with the people. Yeah, here we are having. Next. Next. Save. And click on new. Buyer. Obviously, buyer will also be people, right? We can go with the people. Next. Next. Save. Guys, is it clear about the objects and tabs creation? Guys, is it clear? Is it clear? Are you following me? Yes, it's clear. Yeah, thank you, Kalaimati, Muhammad, Akshaya, Gayatri. Yeah, thank you for your response. Ma'am, do we have to complete this project by today itself? No, Neelu. Guys, you must receive the PDF document and video recording from your college faculty. Once you selected your project, you have to implement only one project, guys. So, after receiving those information, just check your team details and work with your team. March 8th is a deadline, guys, and tomorrow you are having the last fifth project development. Once that is done, you can go with it. Okay, March 8th is the deadline. Remember that. As I said, like you can do it, guys. As a team, if you work, you can do it within 1 day or 2 days, along with documentation and demo video, everything. Akshaya, I think it's clear, right? Now, we are going to work on the next milestone, that is app creation. Okay, Lightning app. In the form management system, we have to create the app. And so this is the app name. So before that app name, I'm going to copy and paste the, okay, I'm searching for the app manager, and just select the app manager, and here select new Lightning app, and this is your form management system. Guys, you can download the related images from the Google, and you can just click on upload and you can choose the file. See this value, okay, this image size is more than the limited size, but it is 5.99 MB. If I try to select it, I think the 5 MB is the limit. So you can upload the relevant image and then just click on next, default values, next, default, next. See, utility default, app options default. And from available items, you're going to choose form, crop, former, and buyer. And reports and dashboards, guys. 6. So form, you can move the forms and you can move the formers. And then you have to choose crop and buyer. Crops and then buyer. If you want to alter anything, okay, you can just change, okay, which one you want to display. If you want to set the order of the navigation items to display, you can go for it. And then reports and dashboards, and then dashboards. Yeah, it's done. Just click on next, and here you have to obviously, guys, system administrator. See, here you are adding the system administrator in the profiles. That's it. To verify your changes, click the app launcher, type form management. This is form management system, guys, not job application app. You have to search for the form management system only. So system administrator, click on save and finish. See, if you want to check whether it is existing or not, see, just refresh it from app launcher. You can search for the form management. See, we are having the form management. Don't open any objects. Now if you are creating, updating any page layout, it will affect it. We have not yet created the fields, so just see whether the objects are there or not. Don't open click on any object now. See, we successfully completed the fourth milestone too. Now fifth one is the fields and relationships, and then yeah, it will take some time to build the fields and relationships. Is it clear till now? And then profiles. Yeah, we successfully done this part. Yes. Is it clear till now, guys? Or do you have any queries? And Amashakti is asking, like, what's the deadline? Guys, the deadline to complete the project is March 8th, not 10th. Okay, it's March 8th. Is it clear? Any more queries, guys? Everything is clear. Okay. Yeah, it's clear. Yes. Now we are working on the fields and relationships, and the first activity is to create the fields on the form object. And okay, go to setup. See, that's it. Object manager. Here you can search and select the form. And okay, you are choosing the form object. And once you have done, okay, selected the, just go to the fields and relationships. And then just click on new. And here you have to choose the data type as pick list. You have to choose the data type as pick list. Click on next. And here you have to enter the values as crop, livestock, or mixed. So this is a form type is a field label name. So what's the type of form, guys? That's it. Click on enter values. And here you have to choose the values as crop. See, farmers, they will see someone will only do the crops, guys, farming related to crops, and the other one will do the livestock like goats, yeah, sheep, right, or hen. Okay, that's also comes under the farming only. And someone will do the both crops along with the livestock mixed. So here we are choosing what are the types of farming the farmer is following. Okay, is implementing or managing. Just click on next, next, and save. Next, next, save and leave. Now, in the same way, we have to create the four more fields, guys. Okay, five fields. Actually, this is a five fields. And the first one is like you have to create a pick list. Okay, the second field, guys, not first. This is a okay soil quality. This is a pick list. So see, definitely we are having different types of soils in India. And okay, if you want to take it generally in the world, also global wise, so definitely we are having different types of soil types. So if you want to store that type of information, you can do it. Choose a pick list as data type and soil quality and click on enter values. And here we are having the organic. What's this? This is a soil quality organic cover crops. And then one is a composting. Okay, which method he's using for the soil. Okay, soil type, uh, to get a good quality. That's the thing. And are we making anything as required? No. Here above one also we have not to do any required, right? Yes, it's not a required field. And just click on next, next, save and new, and then yes, we are going to create another pick list that is irrigation type. Yeah, it's also pick list. Just choose a pick list data type, guys. Pick list, click on next. Okay, irrigation type, enter the values, and sprinkler irrigation, drip irrigation. Yes, and then drip irrigation, and the other one is localized irrigation. So we are managing each and every minute information in this CRM application, guys. That's it. Click on next, next, save and new, and then we are creating the another field that is text, data type as text, that we store the location. Okay, where this location is, where this form will be located, that's the meaning. So you can go with the text, data type, click on next, see location, and anything length is given. If length is not given, you can choose with 255. Yeah, that's it. And is it a required field? Yeah, it's not mentioned the required field. Just click on next, next, save and new. And then the fourth data type is text and field label is size. Yeah, how many acres, or okay, the farmer is having the land, so it's about the text. It will store like acres. There will be different units to measure the land, right? So if it is less than 1 acre, they will mention some other name. So if you want to mention it clearly, we are going with the text. And here we can go with the size and length. I'm choosing 100. Yeah, it's max, guys. It's not more than that. Click on next, next, save and new. And the last one is a master detail relationship with the former object. So this form will be the child related to the former. See, a single former can have different location, different forms, right? So here that's the reason. Many will be the child, guys, always. So master detail relationship with the former. And here you have to choose former. Yes. Click on next. Anything is given. Yeah, just former only, nothing else. Click on next, 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 save and new. Sorry, no need for the save and new. That's the last field. Yes, we successfully created the fields for the form object. Is it clear, guys? Or do you have any queries? Is it clear? Yes. Thanks for your responses. Now we are going to now we are going to create the fields for the crop. And here, okay, once we have successfully created the fields for each and every object, we can take a break. We can take a break after creating the fields for each and every object. So now it's for the crops field, and here you have to see there is a okay. Here we are having around 7 to 8 fields. That's it, 7. And here the first one is data type text. So before that, you have to search and select the crops, guys. Okay, object manager, search and select for the crop. Just choose the crops. fields and relationships, click on new, and then you have to choose the data type as text and field label name as crop name. Nothing else, no required fields. Text, click on next. And yes, crop name length, you can go with 100. It's not required. Click on next. Next, save and new, because we have to create more fields. And the second one is the data type of date and planting date. Yeah, when the okay, each and every crop, see, in a year the farmers will do three crops or four crops, right? So depends on the season. So planting date, and choose the data type as date. Just select it and click on next. And here field label planting date, and then just click on next. Next, save and new. And once this is done, we are going to create the another date, that is harvest date, guys. Okay, harvesting date, when the harvest is started. So you can go with the, see, some for some crops we can do it in a single day, and for some crops the harvesting will be done, okay, continue for 1 week too, depends on the crop size and everything. Okay, everything matters here. Harvest date, yes, just click on next. Next, save and new. And we are going to create a lookup relationship from crop to the form. Okay, each and okay, these crops we have to connect which form this crop belongs to. So we are going to create the lookup relationship from crop to form. So just choose the lookup relationship and click on next. And here you have to choose the form, guys. Okay, which form it is. Click on next. Yeah, that's it. Click on next. Anything is given, it's not given anything. Simple. You can choose the default values here and just go with it. Click on next. Save and new. Yes, we connected the crop to the form. Okay, which this crop belongs to which form, we can identify it now. And we select okay, data type as currency actual yield, guys. Okay, how much amount. So for currency, click on next. Actual yield, yeah, that's it. Currency data type D. Okay, just leave it as it is. Click on next. Next, save and new. And then we are going to create a number data type to store the total acres harvested. Okay, how many acres we have harvested. For that, we have to choose the number data type. Click on next. Total okay, acres harvested. Just leave the default values as it is. And next, next, save and new. And now, okay, it's maximum length of 20. Guys, we'll have 18 0, guys. That's it. And now we create formula field to select the data type as formula. Click next, and then expected yield per acre. Okay, how much? Okay, expect for each acre how much currency they, okay, how much amount they can earn. So choose the formula data type, and then just click on next. And here expected yield per acre. Now return type is currency. Yes, choose a currency and click on next. And enter a formula actual yield divided by total acre harvested. Yes, so we have mentioned like go to the advanced formula, click on insert field. Here we have mentioned actual yield, right? How much and you can divide with the total number of acres harvested. So we can find for each and every acre how much the farmer has earned for particular crop. So click on check syntax. That's it, nothing else. See, that's it, nothing else. And next, save. Click on next, save. This is the last field. Yeah, we successfully created the fields for 2 objects. Is it clear now, guys? Are you following? How many of you are following? Just raise your hands. Yes, it's clear, right? Now we are going to create the fields for the former object, and yeah, here we are going to create the field dependency too. Okay, once we have successfully created fields for each and every object, we can go for the break. Don't worry. Phone data type, we are creating the fields for the former object. Just object manager, go to object manager, click on last modified, just select the former fields and relationships, click on new, and here you have to choose the data type as a phone, and just click on next. This is a contact number. Okay, field label name, enter it, click on next. Is it a required field? Not yet mentioned. So next, save and new. And the next one is the former address, guys. We have to enter the values for the state as Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Okay, this for practice, we are just taking the few values. If you want to go with extra, you definitely can go for it. Choose the pick list as data type. See, pick list as data type, and just click on next. And enter the field label as state, and you can choose the enter values. And here you can choose the states as Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. If you want to go with other states like Kerala, Maharashtra, yeah, definitely you can go with that. If you want to add, you can go for it, guys. No issues. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Yes. Anything else? Nothing. Just click on next. Next. Save and new. Now we are going to create a pick list field for the district. Okay, you can enter the districts, guys. Related districts. See, for example, here, see why the values are not given. We can choose. Okay. We can choose, right? For example, here it is given. Okay, not given. So here you can choose the pick list, guys. Just go with the pick list and click on next. District. See, click on enter. Here, you can just go to the Google. See, I know the districts in Telangana like Hyderabad and Secunderabad. And then, yeah, I can go with Bhonegir. And then Nalagunda. So, some of the districts in Telangana. And of course, in Andhra Pradesh, we can go with Vishakhapatnam. And then we can go with Vijayawada. And then we can go with Nellore. And we can go with Amaravati. Yes. And coming to Tamil Nadu states, we can go with districts, guys. I don't know exact district names in Tamil Nadu. I'll try. Districts in Tamil Nadu. See, if you don't know, just go for the Google and search it just like this. And here you can find some districts. So we can go with Chennai. And then, okay, I'm choosing 4 eyes. Coimbatore. And then we can go with Kanchipuram. And then we can go with the Kanyakumari too. Yes, Kanyakumari. Okay, that's enough. Okay. And then just once we have selected the districts, we can just click on next. Next. Save and new. And now we are going to create the pick list for the village. So for each and every district, guys, you can select the pick list. So sorry, you can enter some values, not pick list. So here you're going to choose a pick list data type and just click on next. Okay, village, and just click on enter the values. Okay, if you want to know villages, we can choose a previous one and you can enter it. Okay, like villages in Chennai district. Okay, villages in Chennai district, you can search it. Excuse me. Yeah. Kolathur. You can choose 2 villages for each district. That's it. Otherwise, we'll have multiple values. Peruvallur. And then I'm going to search for the Coimbatore. And here you can find the districts for Coimbatore. Under Coimbatore are, yeah, Bellapalayam, and then Chikkarampalayam. Okay, Chikkarampalayam, and then that's it, enough. And we have chosen the another district, that is Coimbatore, Kanchipuram, right? Kanchipuram district. Here we can choose. Is it true? Is it true? Okay, is it true? And Govindawadi. And then we can go with the Kanyakumari districts. Yeah, Kanyakumari district. Alanchi. And then Ambankalai. That's it. And if you want to add, you can add the districts in other. Okay. So for each and every district, try to add the pick list values, guys. You can add the pick. Okay, villages in. Just search in the Google, guys. Vishakhapatnam. Yeah. Yes, Visakhapatnam. And here you can find the Bhimili, Anakapalli. Okay, I'm choosing Anakapalli. I can copy, so I can copy it easily. And then I'm going with the other Simhachal. So in a similar way, guys, in a similar way, you can go with the pick list values, and here you can choose. Okay, you can choose search and select the pick. Okay, villages of different districts in the same way, like Vishakhapatnam. Next, we have chosen the Vijayawada. So here we are having Tiruru and Nandigama. Tiruru and Nandigama. If you want to choose 3 districts, you can go with it. So in the same way, you can go with, okay, other districts values, but I'm going to choose villages in the, okay, Bhonagir district. And here it is Yadadri Bhonagiri, guys. Under this, we can have the Chimalapadu. And yeah, we can go with Chandupatla. And then we can go with Bhumai Palle. Yes. So in the same way, you can choose a district, okay, village values for each and everything. Uh, is there any creation? Okay, that's it. We have to create the pick list for districts only, not for the villages. Now, if you want to field dependence, you can go for it. You can add in this similar way, guys. And once this is done, just click on next. Next. Save and new. Is it anything else? That's it. Nothing else. And then just click on cancel here. And now we are going to create the field dependency. See, in the former object, we are having the field dependencies, right? Just click on the field dependency. And we are going to create the field dependency. Just click on new. Between controlling field will be the state, guys, and dependent field will be the district. See, controlling field will be the state, dependent field will be the district. So now after that, just click on continue, and then here you have to choose the values, guys. Under Telangana, see Hyderabad, click on shift and till Nalgonda. Include values. Just click on the include values button. Okay, just click on this. And then for Andhra Pradesh, you have choosing Visakhapatnam to Amaravati. Okay, and just click on include values. And for the under Tamil Nadu, we are choosing from Chennai to shift Kanyakumari. And just click on include values. That's it. And click on save. Yes. So we successfully created the field dependency. If you want to just preview it, just go to the field dependencies. Here we can find it. Just click on edit. Okay, just click on preview. Here you can find the preview, guys. Telangana. See, you can see only Telangana districts. It's about the field dependency. If you want to create the field dependency for the village and the related district, you can go for it, guys. Yeah, definitely. You can go for it. And then now go to the object manager, and we are going to create the fields for the buyer object. Once this is done, we are going to take a break. Don't worry. Guys, how many of you are following? Just raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yeah, thank you for your responses. Now we are going to create the fields for the buyer object. Just click on buyer. Okay, fields and relationships. Click on new. And here, a phone data type contact, guys. Okay, buyer phone information, just choose. Okay, and here you have to select the phone. I think it's selected now. Just click on next and enter for contact. Is it a required field? Not it, right? So it's clear now. Just go with the next and click again next. Save and new. And now we are going to create the field for the email. Okay, now you're going to choose the data type as email and just click on next. Go with the email and just click on next. Next, save and new. And you can go with the address with the data type as text area. Choose text area. Click on next. The address. And just click on next. Next, save and new. Now we are going to create the next field that is buyer type, and it is a pick list data type. The values are like wholesale, retail. That's it. Choose a pick list as data type and then just go with the next button. And here just okay, buyer type and enter the values, select the enter values, and you're going to enter the values as wholesale and retail as pick list values, guys, here. And retail as a pick list values. Once this is done, we have to click on next. Yes, click on next. Next. Save and new. Anything else? Nothing. Sorry, it's cancel. So we successfully created the fields. Yeah, it's clear now. Guys, is it clear now? Are you following? I want the response from each and everyone. Is it clear till now? Yes. I got the responses from Navasakti, Lalita, Paralai. That's it. What about the others? Yeah, I got the responses from Janani, Akshaya, Gayatri, Dhanalakshmi, Bhuvaneshwari, Nandini. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your wonderful responses. Now we can take a break and break for 15 minutes. Just relax for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we are going to start. Okay, continue our project development. Take a break for 15 minutes. Bye. Okay, everyone must be back, guys, after 15 minutes. Yeah, Kavya, Akshaya also responded saying yes. Yes. Guys, I hope everyone is back to the session, right? Yes. How many of you are back to the session? Just raise your hands. I have given more than 15 minutes break. Yeah. Almost everyone is there, like Sumaya, Silambarasan, and Ravi Shankar, Paralai, Neelu Farnajiya, Navashakti, Monisha, Mercy, Manoj, Kalai Selvi, Janani, EML, Gayatri, Darshini, Bakia, Elena, Achyutan, and Dhanalakshmi. Yes, Ravi Shankar. Yes, we got wonderful responses. And now, yes. So we are going to continue this project implementation. And here we are. So we have to create the profiles, roles, users, yes, and then reports, sharing rules, guys, sharing rules, reports, and dashboards. That's it. There are no flows, no validation rules in the project. If you want to build any validation rule extra, yes, you can go for it, guys. For that, you will get some extra score for the innovative too. Okay, definitely. If you try, you can get it. And here, if you scroll up here, it's easy, right, to create the profiles. And we can create the profile. So why we create a profile, guys? What is a profile? I want the response in Q&A. I'm going to work on it. And you must give the reason, like what is a profile. And here, go to home in quick find box, search for the profiles. And then you can click on new profile, or you can directly select the profile. Here you have to standard use. You have to clone the standard user profile and name as sales department. So profile name is sales department. Here you are choosing the standard user. Okay, that's it. And now once this is done, yes, click on save. We successfully created the profile for the sales representative, sales department, and the other profile is for the form manager, guys. And here also we are using the standard user profile. And there are no settings, just click on profiles. Next, sorry for the inconvenience, and click on new profile. And here you are choosing the form manager. Okay, no extra spaces are accepted, and choose a standard user. Click on save. That's it. And then we are going to click on roles. Now we are going to create the roles. Yeah, I got the response. I hope like, yeah, Abhinaya, you can ask your doubt regarding the project. Can we get YouTube video of this session? Keaton, as I said, you will get the updates, guys, like recording sessions. Yeah, definitely you will get the recordings. It may be YouTube video link or recorded video file. I don't know, but you will receive it. The profile decides permissions and access for a user. Yes, that's correct, Alina. And the group in 5 members, all of them must want to finish the project individually. Abhinaya, as I said earlier, no. See, as a team, you're working on a single project. As a team, you can finish only one project, submit the one documentation, demo video in one GitHub repository, upload it, and submit that GitHub repository link. That's it. Okay, I'm going to explain what to do. Okay, what to submit before ending the session. Don't worry about it. How many pages do we need to create the documentation? See, we are providing the PDF document, Sumaya. It depends on the project. See, we will not check how many pages you are submitting. We check everything is there or not. That's it. We are not counting on the pages because each project will have its related page count, right? So we check whether you implemented each and everything or not. That's it, based on your screenshots and demo video. Anything else? It's clear, right? Yes, I think it's clear, right? I'm just give me a second. I'm not. Ma'am, should all, yes, as I said, screen is not visible. Is it visible now, guys? Guys, is my screen visible to you? Kavya? Yes, Gayatri, I got the response. Yes, work together, as I said earlier, yes. Don't ask the same repeated questions, guys. See, we are going to evaluate the projects manually. We'll check whether you're submitting your screenshots or not, even though we are mentioning multiple times. See, I'm giving the response, right? But still, audio is not there. Guys, just confirm, is my screen is visible to you or not? Screen is visible, audio is audible, yes or no? Yes, it's visible, right? Audible. I got some thumbs up and someone. Yeah, visible from Navashakti. Yes, ma'am, it's visible. Alina, Shalini. See, if others are saying like not visible, just check your network connection, guys. So it's visible, right? So I'm going with the next concept in the Salesforce. Yeah, thank you, Ranjita, Shalini, Navashakti, and Alina for your wonderful responses. And thank you, Sajit, too. Now we are going to create the roles. So just go to the quick find box, search and select roles, and here you can find the under users roles. Just click on it and then you click on setup roles and expand all, and then see under CEO you have to create the form manager. See here under CEO, guys, under CEO just click on add role and choose the form manager. If any extra spaces are there, just remove them and click on API name will be automatically incorporated. Click on save. That's it. Now what we are going to do, we are creating only one role, form manager. If you want to create another role, definitely you can go with sales manager too. Roles, setup roles, expand all, and under CEO just click on add role. And if you want to go with sales manager, you can go with sales manager or sales department. Okay. Yes. Click on save. See, we successfully created the roles. Is it clear till now? Excuse me. Is it clear till now, guys? Or do you have any queries? It's clear, right? Thank you, Paralaya and Sarjit, for your responses. Yeah, thank you, Ranjita, Shalini, Navashakti, Alina, Kavipriya. Kavipriya saying no. Please check your network, Lalita, Kavipriya. Headset too. Check your headset too, because I'm getting complaints from only few members. Yeah, Binay, you can plan accordingly. See, once go through the recording and you can see one should create the developer arc, and then other can create the all objects, the other one can create the tabs. And for the fields, if there are four objects, Each one create the fields for one object. One can create the lightning app. Yes, you can share the work based on the milestones and accept the fields that will be done by all the members, team members. Yes, I'll explain about how you should present your demo video before wrapping up the session. Don't worry. See, it will take some more time to complete the project, guys. After that, I'm going to explain what you must do in the documentation and demo video, how to submit, GitHub, everything. Don't worry. And now we have to create the users. And here in quick find box, search and select the users. And then click on new user. And here you have to first name as form and last name as manager. Okay, I'm creating the format. Okay, you can use your names, guys. It's not like you must use the exact names given here. You can use your own usernames too. Enter a valid email address and username. You can form@smartbridge.com. It must be email format. It must be unique. Role as form manager. And then license, Salesforce. Profile, we are having the form manager. Anything else? That's it. Click on save. In this way, you can create the user for the sales department, guys. But we will not have the see. Go to users. If you try to create the new user now, just think that I want some Gayatri. Okay, Gayatri. Guys, are you following? If yes, just raise your hands. Go on the names. Alina. Okay, I'm combining two names. Gayatri Alina, and then here valid mail ID Alina. And role will be sales department. Okay, I have created a role for the sales department and user licensing. There is no Salesforce license if I want to choose the right. So just click on cancel and just go to the previous user, guys, form manager, and deactivate it and then click on save. Now the Salesforce license will be released and you can just go to the new user and you can go with the Gayatri. And now you can go with the Alina email address. And here you can choose alina@smartbridge.com. And here you can choose a sales department role. And yeah, Salesforce license. And here we are having the sales related, right? Sales department profile. Okay. And then just click on save. See, if you are going to create the users, if the licenses are not there, just deactivate the previous one and create a new user. That's it. When you are deactivating a user, the Salesforce license will be released. And if you are freezing a user, guys, here there is an option called freeze, right? If you are freezing a user, the license will not be released, guys. But it's a temporary locking a user not to access the Salesforce app or plat. Salesforce access, particular Salesforce app CRM application. Now we are going to create the sharing rules. Before that, I want the response. Is it clear till now? Guys, is it clear till now? If yes, just raise your hands. I want the responses in the Q&A too. I'm waiting for your responses. If it's clear, if you're having any doubts, just drop your queries in Q&A. Yes, it's clear. No doubt. Abhinay, there are 7 milestones in this project now. Abhinay, see, as a team, you must choose it. See, I should not say like one can do this, that. See, guys, don't ask me each and everything. See how you're planning. Team members and team leader must decide that who should work on something. Don't ask the same repeated question, guys, multiple times. And the next one is a sharing rules. Now we are going to create a sharing rule on okay, we have to create the sharing rule on the crop object. So for that, you have to go with the sharing settings. Sharing settings. And here, just choose a crop object. Okay, just scroll here. You can find the objects, right? Scroll down here. You can find the custom objects under crop, right? Crop object, just click on new. And here you're going to create the and sharing rule name will be see you can add anything crop sharing rule and based on criteria here you have to choose crop name two crop names. See, it means here you can choose equals and here if you choose true means if it is having some value. So here you can go with the roles and here you can choose a form manager role and here you can give the access like read or write and just click on save. Yes, this is the way you're going to create the sharing rules and then it's done. It's simple, guys. You're going to share it based on see crop name equals to true based on the criteria. And now and the next task is to create the reports. See if you want to create okay you can go and create the sharing rule on the say okay or buyer to sales department, guys. Yeah, you can just scroll down here until you can reach the buyer object. Okay, at last we'll have the custom objects. Click on new. You can go with buyer sharing rule as label name. And then here based on criteria and here any criteria is given. If contact, okay, equals true. See, when we are saying true means it is having some value. And here roles and here you have to choose a roles under sales department and you have to give the read or write access. That's it. Click on save. Yeah, it's done. So we successfully created the sharing rules too. Is it clear till now? Guys, is it clear till now? Kaushalya, check your headset or network connection. Kaushalya, please check your headset and network connection. Guys, is it clear? Yeah, I got the positive response from the Gayatri. What about the others? Alina, Dhanalakshmi, Kaushal, yeah, said yes. Logesh. Anyone else? If you have any doubts, just mention it, guys. Now we are going to create the reports and dashboards. Yes, right? We are going to create the reports and dashboards. And once we completed this, I'm going to explain okay, what to submit for the project submission so that you will receive the certificate. What can I do, ma'am? Kaushila, please check your network or rejoin the session one more time. Okay, just leave the session and join one more time, Kausalya. Rejoin the session, Kausalya. That's it. And now we are going to work on the reports and dashboards. So we have to before guys, okay, before going to the reports, see, just click on app launcher and search for the form management system. And here you have to enter the records in each and every object. That is mandatory. And here just go to the forms, click on new. Yes, you must create 10 records per each object, guys. I'm not going to create 10 records because it will consume the time. It will take a lot of time. So you must do it because it's a session, guys. I can see how to create records, but it's not like every record. Former name is like Shivashankar. And informer type is both mixed, and soil quality is organic, and irrigation type is like drip irrigation. And location, these are not mandatory. You can, okay, I'm some Chennai, and he's having 10 acres of land. And if you want to choose the former, just click on new former if you have not yet created. And then teacher says the teacher says sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, here you can go with the, as I said, like Shivashankar. And contact number, yes, and state, it's from Tamil Nadu, district, Chennai. And his village is from in Chennai. Okay, we have not applied any field dependency, so we'll get all those things. So Kolatur. And related village you can go with. And if you want to apply field dependency between district and village, you can go for it, guys. And then just click on save. Now here it is a form name, right? Shivashankar form. You can say Shivashankar form. Yes. And then this is a former name. And then just click on save and new so that you can create the another. And if you want to create another form, yes, you can go with like Gayatri form. Form type, it's crop, and soil type, it is composting, and irrigation, sorry, localized. You can choose a location as Coimbatore. And then size, she's having 15 acres, and the farmer, I had to click on the new farmer, and I'm going to create the farmer as Gayatri contact details 99888654, and then she belongs to Tamil Nadu, district Coimbatore, and village I'm going with Villapalai. Yeah. So now we are going to create save. In the same way, you can create the records. Now I have created the two records, guys, two records in former and two records in forms. Now I'm going to create the crops. Click on new, and crop name is like rice. Okay, you can mention the okay. If it is already there, no need to create it. By mistake, I have created it. I can remove that one. Planting date. Planting date, you can go with previous date, guys. Okay, you can enter anything like I'm going with 5th November 2025, and harvest date is with the, it will be 6 months, right? So I'm going with, yeah, 1st March 2026. So even though it is not 6 months, I'm choosing, or you can go with, sorry, April 2nd. And farmer, Gayatri farm, actual yield. So no need to do now, guys. Click on save. See, it's done. And in the same way, you can create the new record here for the crops. And now I'm going with the another crop, that is cotton. And crop name, what I'll do is like edit the object, and then go to page layouts, crop layout, and here you can just minus this one, quick save, and save. Yeah, refresh, and farmers crops. Okay, just do that. Click on new. Okay, it will be reflected after some time, guys. What are the changes you are doing? It may not reflect immediately. And crop name here will be, as I said earlier, like cotton. And I'm planting date, I'm choosing what with some, okay, 25, 25th, okay, 4th March 2025. And harvest date, I want something like 2025, October 15th. And farmer will be the same person like Gayatri, and actually like she got 2 lakhs. And harvest a total 10 acres. And click on save value. Now I'm going to create a crop of coconut. Okay, and the planting date, you can choose the dates, guys. It's not mandatory, but I'm choosing the Shiva Shankar farm. Actual yield 1 lakh, and total acres of 5 acres of coconut, guys. Not complete. So you can go like this. You can create multiple crops under the same farmer. I want you to. Okay, under the same form, you can, related to same form, you can create multiple crops. Now we are going to search for the buyers. Just click on new, and here buyer name is likes from, I want to choose one of your names as buyer name, Logesh. Okay, contact email ID, it's not valid, so okay, it's not mandatory, so no need. And he's wholesale person. That's it. Click on save. So here we can find the complete buyer information. You can go in the same way. And now once we created all the records, each 10 records in each and every object, now we are going to create the reports. And here we are going to create the report for the farmers with forms, guys. So just go to the reports, click on new report. Under all, you can choose for, see, we are having the forms with formers, right? Just select this one and start report. Yes, it's done. And then in the details section, select the option start. Okay, and then outline, click on column select. And okay, it's not given the clear instructions, but here we are going to create the report now by ourselves. So here in the fields, what you want to display, like what's the form name, what's the former, and if you want to select the size and just, okay, this one. Okay, enable the update preview. And then if you want to choose soil quality and anything else, if you want to choose form type or anything, you can go with here, guys. And a single person can have multiple forms, right? And here, if you are having in the group by, you can choose format type. See, based on mixed, and if you create multiple records, guys, 10 records, you will get the different form. And okay, all time or anything you want to go for it, go for it. Just click on save and run. Enter. Yeah, formers with forms report. And just click on save. Yes, we successfully created the report. In the same way, if you want to create the reports, definitely you can create the reports for the others report types. Just click on reports, new report, and we are having the crops with forms, right? We can just go with the crop. See, we are having the crops with form, start report. And here you can choose actual yield, total acres harvested. Okay, and then expected yield per acre and crop name, we got it. If you want to get the farmer name also, we can fetch it, guys. See, farmer. Yes. Okay, if you want to go with form type, you can go with here. If you want to just based on the form. If you want to apply group by, see, Gayatri forms, you can get the complete information like Gayatri. Okay. And here, see, as we are not mentioned the actual yield and total acres harvested, so here definitely it will be error. It's a formula field. Otherwise, there will be no error. Don't worry. Enter the values, guys. I missed that one. You can enter them. Now, just click on save and run. And unique report will be created. Click on save. See, if you don't want these errors, just go to the crops. We are the cotton crop, not in the crops, forms. Yeah, here only. Under rice, I have not mentioned the value. Like if I'm mentioning like 3 lakhs and total acres will be 15. Yes, click on save. Go to the reports and select the crop with the form report. Now you can see there are no errors because initially when I'm not entering the values, it will populate the error because there is a formula field. Since there is a formula field, it populated an error earlier, but now it's good. Everything is perfect. And now we are going to create the dashboards. And under dashboard, you are going to create the dashboard, guys. Dashboards, you click on new dashboard. Just go with the form management. Dashboard. Okay, and just click on, you have to, we can make it as private only. In the private dashboard, click on create. And now you can just click on widget, chart. See, that's a thing given, guys. Formers with you can choose a gauge, and the other one, it's viewing how to view it, nothing else. So choose a okay, select, and in which format. Like I am choosing the gauze, and then just if you want to choose dark theme, if you want to change the display units, you can go for it. Just click on add. Here you can find it, and click on add a widget, and formers with forms report, click on select. And if you want to go with donut, just click on add, and you can move this here. Once this is done, just click on save. And then if you want to do any modifications, you can go for it. You can go for it. Is it clear till now? Guys, is it clear till now, or do you have any queries? Yes, right? It's clear, right? Yes, I got a response from Gayatri. I'm expecting more responses. Yes, I got the responses from Navashakti, Alina. That's it. Gayatri, 3 members. What about the others? Guys, what about the others? Yeah, I got the response from Puvarasu. Now it's very, and Ranjita too. Now it's the time you must listen very carefully. Now I'm going to explain what to submit and how to submit everything. I see we successfully created the projects. You can take the screenshot of this one, and you can take the screenshot while implementing reports, everything. You can take the screenshots while entering the new record in each and every object. If there is a validation rule, just check it. See, if you're without entering the valid rule, if you are trying to save, that error message will be populated. You have to take the screenshots of all these things. And see, these screenshots must be submitted under the functional and performance testing, guys. Once you develop the complete project, I'm saying one more time, after completing the project development, what you are entering in the front end, each and every record, checking validation rules, checking flows, checking reports, okay. Just running the reports and dashboards, viewing the dashboards, take the screenshots and submit it in the functional and performance testing. And even profiles, guys. See, log in with different user ID. Try to click on forms and okay, enter the values. Here we can find the details of your, if you're creating the arc, definitely here we can find the owner name, guys. If it is a playground, we'll not find it, but make sure you're going to use your arc, Salesforce developer arc. Don't use the playground. The screenshots, everything. See here, I got the owner name, right? You have to take the screenshot too. And these are the proofs, like whether you completed your project or not. If you're not submitting your screenshots properly, if you're not showing the records in the demo video, okay, you're not receiving the certificate. There will be no marks assigned for your project. And in the demo video, I'm giving the clarity for the demo video. Just in your demo video, it minimum duration is 5 minutes to max 10 minutes. And here, first, introduce about yourself and your team, and give a short overview of your project. It will be for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. Once this is done, overview is done, just go to the each and every object, try to enter the record values and show whether the validation rule working or not, whether the while saving the records, whether the error messages are populated or not. You have to explain all those things, and you can show your final reports. Open the final report. Okay. And you can show up your final reports and dashboard too. If this is done, then go to the setup page. If anything is important like flow, you can show a trigger code, you can present in the backend too. And once everything is explained, give the conclusion of your project and end with a thank you. That's it. And you can use Google Meeting, Zoom recording, Loom recording. Okay, and you have to share your screen. No need to turn on your camera. We are not expecting you to turn on camera. Just share your screen and explain the project in your own words. One person from your team can explain the project, or everyone can involve in the demo video presentation. One can give the overview, one can explain about the front end, and the other one can explain about the reports and dashboards, and the other one can explain about the setup, and the other one can conclude about the project and end the demo video by saying thank you. So how you are planning, it's up to you. We want you to explain your project, guys. Present your project just like this. Enter the records, how we are doing. Just explain it. Excuse me. And it's mandatory that we must find your names in the demo video and documentation. Demo video and screenshots in the documentation or proof for your project development. If you're submitting our screenshots, if you're not sharing your screen in the demo video, and if you're submitting your friend's screenshot, definitely you're not going to get any marks for your project. You're not receiving the certificate. Is it clear regarding the demo video, or any more queries? Is it clear? Yes. Yes, I got the response from Gayatri and Alina. I have summed out, ma'am, in document project planning, there is members 1, 2, 3 that we have to add name, ma'am. Yes, Nadima. Now I'm going to explain about the documentation part, guys. Your document will be similarly this. You have to replace and you have to add more screenshots compared to us in the project development phase. This one, fifth. Okay, in the development phase, sixth project. Okay, sixth. Okay, here you have to drop the screenshots of the formula fields, all the fields. See, if it is a formula field, open the formula, guys. If it is a normal field, you can take the screenshots like this of all the fields, or you can open the field if it is a formula or if it is a pick list, and take the screenshot and submit it. Validation rules, screenshots, everything, profile screenshots, everything, object screenshots, how need to update the content here in the sixth part. This is project development phase. Once this is done, and coming to the planning and schedule phase, here you have to update your team member and team leader names who worked on which user story, and then here you have to mention on which day you worked. Okay, you can add the story points if you want to update the story points for each and every sprint. What are the total story points, maximum story? You can mention it, guys. You can update this. That's the thing you're going to do for the documentation. If you want to update the existing remaining phases, you can go for it. If you want to add something extra for these images, yeah, you can go for it. You will get some extra scores. Otherwise, yeah. But if you're not developing the project, you will not get any scores. We want the proofs in the screenshot like you implemented the project. If it is a reports and dashboards, definitely we can find it, guys. When you view the report, mostly for the arcs, guys, just use the arc here, your name will be there. Don't use the playgrounds for your project, use the Salesforce developer arc. And you can take the screenshots, just taking the screenshots, updating the document. In the sixth part, project development phase, and in the seventh part, functional performance testing. That's it. And you are modifying the fifth one. You are entering your team details and on which date you have worked on it. That's it. Nothing else extra, right? And you're going to make a demo video. Nothing more. If you work for complete 1 day, you can complete the project, guys. Otherwise, you can work for 2 days, not more than that. You can build this project. See, I have completed the project during the session itself and by clearing the doubts. So you can do it within 1 day. And before making, and one more thing, when you are making a demo video, make sure your video clarity is good, your voice is clear. First, once you have done, check it, guys, before submitting it. Everything is good. then only submit it. Otherwise, retake the demo video recording. Go for another recording. And this is about the documentation. This is about the demo video. As I said earlier, go to the developer.salesforce.com. Okay, sign up form. Sorry, .com. Developer.salesforce.com, sign up. And here you have to enter your details. Okay, I'm having the account. That's the reason it is showing like this. You have to enter your name, team member names here. And if you're not having the GitHub account, just go for it. I'm sharing the other screen because as I'm having the GitHub account in the another account. Yes. See, is my screen visible to you? If it is visible, just raise your hands. Guys, is my screen visible to you? Yes, thanks for your response. And here, see, go to the github.com and there will be sign up button. If you're not having an account, you can create the account. Once you have created the account, just click on new. And then enter your project name like form management. This is also accepted. And you have to make it as public, choose the readme file and click on create repository. Once you created the repository, click on add. You can upload your link, guys, like document. You have to make a PDF document or doc file, Word doc file. You can click on upload files and you can choose your file and then you can click on commit changes. I think it's uploading. It's still. If it is in your Google Drive, just submit your Google Drive link. Okay, after uploading, you can click on commit changes, guys. And then in the apply file, okay, create a new file. If it is in a Google Drive one, okay, you have to give the view access. And then you can share your link here and click on commit changes. I think there is network slow. That's the reason it's not reflecting immediately. Some issue here. Yeah, you can click on commit changes. Otherwise, you can go with the form management. And here you will have the README file. Just click on edit. Submit your URL, click on commit changes. Yes, you have to update it. See, you can submit your demo video link, but make sure you must give the view access. Any one of your video, guys, just go to your Google Drive. You must give the view access. If it is in a, okay, create in a folder and just give share. Click on share. Okay, instead of restricted, anyone with the link, view it. Okay, anyone with the link can view it. Click on done. Then you they can, okay, we can go through your demo video. This is about the documentation demo video. And as I said earlier, if there are 4 members or 5 members or 6, okay, 3 members in a team, all together should work as one. And you must implement a single project in a single Salesforce developer arc. Don't use a playground, use a developer arc and make a single documentation demo video. Demo video is of minimum 5 minutes to 10, okay, maximum of 10 minutes duration. And then Upload your document and demo video in GitHub and submit your GitHub repository URL. Excuse me. See, just go to the form management. Here you can find the URL, right? You have to submit this, copy and submit in a document to your college faculty. You must submit your GitHub link, URL link, to your college faculty. You have to copy this link and submit it to your college faculty. After verification of your project, if everything is perfect, you will receive the certificate. That's it. Guys, any more queries? Is it clear or do you have any queries? Yes, it's clear. Sonia, you have to submit your GitHub link to your college faculty. Your college faculty will collect all of your college students batches wise teams GitHub URLs. Yes. Any more queries? We are having 10 more minutes. Guys, we are having 10 more members. What is included in demo video? Sonia just now explained, right? Project deadline March 8th, guys. You can use the Google recording or Zoom, Zoho. Okay, Zoho is not possible for you if you are not having a call. Just Loom. You can go with the Zoom, guys. Zoom recordings. Free recordings. You can use the free recordings and record your project for only 5 minutes, right? 5 to 10 minutes. As I said earlier, Sonia, you have to, 1 second. You must explain your project in the front end. See, you have to explain your project in the front end, enter the records in each and every object, show your validation rules are working or not. Okay. Then view the reports and view the dashboards. And you can explain about the setup page. Go to the setup page and explain, show what you have implemented in the backend too. As I said earlier, introduction about your team, project overview, then project explanation, presentation, and conclusion. Thank you. That's it. Minimum duration of 5 minutes, maximum of 10 minutes. Anything else? No, Alina, in the functionalities and performance, you have to test the validation rules, error messages. You have to drop the screenshots of record creations, and you can drop the screenshots of report while viewing the report, viewing the dashboards, and whether your flows are worked or not. You can present all those things in the functionalities and performance. As I said earlier, no separate projects, guys. As a team, you have to implement only one project. You have to work all together. No Kalaivani, I'm saying it multiple times. Guys, you must implement only one project per team. Not each member should develop a project separately. No. It's not individual projects. It is a team project, group project. Anything else? Guys, any more queries? More queries, right? Okay, then it's time to wrap up the session. Just go for the project, build as a team, and submit a single document demo video in a GitHub URL. That's it. Nothing else. We can meet in tomorrow's session. Everyone must be there, and that's the final project. Go for it. All the best, guys. March 8th is a deadline. Work as a team, all together, build a single project, make a single documentation and demo video. And demo video minimum duration is 5 minutes, max is 10 minutes. And upload your documentation PDF or Word document in the Google in the GitHub URL and submit your GitHub URL repository link to your college faculty. That's it. Your work is done. Anything else? Yes, that's all for today. Goodbye, everyone. Meet in tomorrow session.